How to sign up JP Morgan Online Banking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for JP Morgan Online Banking in just a few simple steps. So first, download the app. Head to the App Store or Google Play. Search for JP Morgan mobile app and download it. To start the sign up process, open the app and tap Sign Up. Select your account type, whether personal, business, or both. Enter your account number or debit credit card number, then provide your social security number. To create your login credentials, choose a username and tap Next. Create a secure password, then fill in the required details and follow the on screen instructions. You may need to provide proof of income and address. Some accounts may have minimum deposit requirements. Once verified, your online banking is ready to go. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.